What's good?
Took long enough.
What do we got here after a year and a half, almost 2 years?
A year and 1 month. This week, so to speak. I remember. The only reason I remember it's been a year is because a week after TRC came and visited us, it was like September 30th, like October 1st, we got the sequential. Pull it. Yeah.
That
Not
day.
very hard, just pull it.
So it's Samsonis sequential day finally at RB Power. So what we're doing is we are finally pulling this unit out of this box,
So
and we're gonna start. Man,
hold on, I
why
got
you interrupting me?
I just thought about it because
You freaking.
if we get everything we need, there's a possibility. Obviously, this will be done. Mark can tune it. So, can we do a friendly call out for Javier and see what this will do against his GTR?
I mean, absolutely. Friendly
I'm
call, huh?
genuinely. I think it'd be a cool video because it would be awesome to compare two fully built RBs with sequentials, but 3.2 liter versus 2.6 liter. One revs a little more than the other. One makes more torque than the other. We were talking about it. Like, we feel like it'd be a cool video to like show the
Hey
pros
Javier,
and cons.
why don't we say this? We're trying to get this prepped, and why don't we do like a friendly call out?
Yeah, nothing.
By all
not
means,
like a
nothing
bad
stupid.
way.
You know we love your build, man, and we love having you here and all that. But I know Street Kings is coming up in December.
That's what I'm saying.
so-
Like, it would be cool to make like a comparison. You know what I mean? Like, Andrew Hawkins at Motive, they've done a video comparing like a 3.2 liter, like an RB30 versus
Yeah.
2.6, 2.8. So we were just thinking like two fully built cars with sequentials. What are you looking for?
My drill man pack.
I don't know, big man.
yeah,
So
no,
we
I'm
just
not.
thought it would be cool.
Just to compare,
You're the
no,
only
it'd be
other
cool.
person we know that's got a 3.2 liter RB. Well, actually, yeah, there's only a
And plus, we can also
there's one
compare
shop, but yeah.
the two different style of gearboxes too.
Yeah,
I mean, it'd
that's
be
true,
kind of
'cause
cool.
he's got- what is that? What's in his car? What?
I think
I'm
they have a
asking, like,
PPG. I don't know if they have a PPG or if they did. I don't know. I don't know what they did. Hollinger. I'm not sure what they did. I don't know. Javier, I'm not
like
sure.
I said, I just thought it would be cool because again, it's comparing two
Yeah.
similar cars but very different cars.
But anyway, at the same time, what we're doing today is some maintenance work too, for all those GTR owners, especially when you're running, higher power and of course the 85. Every 6 months, we always go through everything. We make sure everything is tight. We make sure everything is solid. Running, checking, doing all the stuff. We clean the fuel filters to make sure, and you guys will see what this fuel filter is going to look like in 2 minutes once we open this up with the 85. It's probably going to be a sludge filter if anything else, but we go through the whole car, make sure the suspension, everything is tightened, and just kind of we're also going to be doing the head today as well. Another thing that needs to be done, well, maybe not today, but we'll have it done between today and tomorrow. We got to make sure we retorque the head. That's a very important thing that we have to always keep up with too, is make sure that head is torqued to the proper specs. So yeah, that's what today's video is going to be. So anything you want to add?
We should maybe go run the black car tonight, see what it'll do.
That's what you want to add?
Yeah, we were talking about it. The black car freaking kicked ass. Oh,
Yeah.
and thanks to Kyle, the black car also now has AC.
Yeah, we
It's
got
cold
AC.
AC.
The Stroker.
Radio works.
The Stroker cars get AC, so the 2.8 now does have AC, and everything's working for it. So we're really excited about that.
And the bumper's getting cleaned.
Monica's car is here. For all our viewers, this car will be up for sale.
Yes.
This car will be up for sale. This car is immaculate, very well taken care of. All the proper mods. Let me give you guys a quick peek real quick. Let me get this thing, because it's got a weird, the way that this is. There it is.
Well, yeah, the parts list on this car is like quality parts from Olin's coilovers, R34 Brembo rotors and calipers, N1 turbos, Greddy intercooler piping kit. She's got custom leather Recaros, Nismo floor mats, Nismo shift knob, Momo steering wheel, I mean, the car, OEM rain guards, carbon N1 trunk lip, TEs. The car's like,
This is a well built.
honestly, underneath too, it's one of the very few Skylines that come in with absolutely zero to no rust or bodywork.
Very well built car. This is a very well built car.
Full Greddy exhaust, LED tails.
I got my wife's car out. That's what I'm driving today. Her sedan.
Yeah, this car will definitely run an 11 second.
But this one's ready, good to go. Got the AC. This
Shout
is
out
a
to the clutch
2.8.
fan,
Yeah.
because we noticed some
Clutch
people
fan,
said
baby.
something about it, and I'll tell you what, we went from fans that I'm not a fan of to a clutch fan, and the temperature immediately dropped almost, what, 15, 20 degrees
about
from
15
going
or
to a
so.
clutch fan. And then now also the AC condenser fan works, so the car stays very, very cool. And it sounds so freaking good. The car sounds so amazing under boost.
Yeah.
Which you guys saw in the last video.
I'm
that
just
was
excited. I know, I'm just excited at the fact that I can get in it and drive, and it's got AC now, so that's
And
awesome.
radio.
AC and radio. Yeah. Who would have thought? Who would have thought?
Funny thing is, we haven't shown them. This is probably my personal favorite thing on the car is the lights.
Man, he loves these taillights.
So you got the full LED control. Yeah, these things look bad.
Anyway,
I'm not gonna go.
we're gonna go back to work. We'll show you guys what those filters look like, and we'll start putting together that Samsonite sequential, and we'll see how we go. But we'll be updating. That's not something that we're going to be able to do in a day or two, so we'll be providing updates on that. And of course, as we progress, we'll be showing you guys what's going on with that build. But we're up and running with it, so that sequential will be in the car soon, very soon, and we'll be able to get this thing going. I could see the transfer case is already bolted on. Almost. Oh God, this is just so pretty, so pretty. Kyle, anything you? Oh mother. Kyle, anything you want to add?
No, I think you pretty much covered it all.
Yeah. Okay. Well, let's do this filter. Let's clean that out and see what we got. Filter's open. Can I see that filter, Kyle? Yeah, it's pretty black. Needs to be
bad.
cleaned up. Not as bad as I thought it would be, but still dirty. So, we'll clean that up real quick, and we'll throw it back on.
We need
It
a
smells so good though.
we need a input shaft.
Well, we're gonna need an input shaft.
What
For
clutch are you
this.
gonna run on this thing?
Not sure yet. Got a couple offers from a couple of companies that we're leaving, you know, unnamed at this point until we figure out exactly what's going to happen. But we'll see. All right, let's keep going. So wait till you guys see how black this is. I'm even going to do it right here. Look at that. Look at all that shit. That's like black. Okay, so filter's back in. For those who've never seen the setup, there's a setup back here.
These are Walbro 115s with AM 640 420 69 filter.
Not.
Excuse me, gotta clean. Hey, wait, hey, I need some light up here, sir. Oh yeah, by the way.
And for those wondering about the exhaust, this is 4-inch all the way back. All the way back. All the way back. And you guys know what kind of material this is, so I'm not even gonna say. 4-inch all the way back. All the way back.
Let's lower it.
So this is aluminum?
Does that look like aluminum?
Lower it, and you can hear it with the muffler and let people also comment if they like it the way it sounds like this or with the muffler.
All right. Well, let's see. No, but we're contemplating whether we should do like leave the just a 4-inch all the way out, or maybe just do a muffler, just for the sake of doing it.
Still unwrapping.
Yeah. Well, there's still a lot of wrap on the car. We still haven't peeled it off. This gentleman right here is the one that does all our wrapping.
crazy.
I'm on the clock, so I'm gonna go back to my. You're on the clock? What are you doing here? I just stopped by and got ready for this.
Why? 'Cause you want to see the cars here?
Yeah, I was hoping I was gonna be able to drive it home. No, we're good. Muffler or no muffler?
It's hard. It's hard. I like my straight pipe. You know what I mean?
Muffler or no muffler?
If we're driving it like every day, I would say put a muffler on it. Then at the track, we'll put it on a straight pipe.
Oh Jesus! Yeah, no. No way.
I like that.
No way. Remains to be seen.
Alright, perfect.
Yeah, no. Hell no.
I like it. I think you can do it.
Really?
Yeah. You're gonna see some flames now.
Yeah, that was louder. Okay, no. Oh my god. That freaking hurt. Yeah, that was pretty good.
Man, that sounds like a gunshot for real. Like,
Yeah, that was loud. All right, we'll figure it out. Maybe we'll throw it on.
Just for shits and giggles, you don't like it, big deal, take it off.
Yeah, I guess.
Like we don't have welders accessible.
Jeff, you hear that? Calling you out. We need you here, man.
Dude, that was
Oh man, that's still tingling in my ears. Huh? That's freaking.
And you hear the freaking wastegates and the turbo so much. Well, not the wastegates, but
it sounds like you got deeper.
it did. Yeah, that's sick.
We should do it. I think so.
Let's do it tomorrow.
Well, we'll see when we get Jeff here.
We'll leave it here anyways. I mean, we have 3 cars.
Well, yeah, car's staying here. We got to do the head tomorrow, retorque everything,
I'm gonna ask him.
and then we'll see if he wants to come down. We actually just heated up Jeff from what's Jeff again? Superformance Fab. Jeff, shout out to you, buddy. Thanks for taking care of this titanium piece for me and heating it all up. It used to be all plain and dull before. Now it's at least nice and colorful. But all right. Well, you know what? We'll see. We'll see what we're gonna come up with. Oh, I want to show you guys as well. I don't know if for those who haven't seen, the bride seats are in here now. These are the seats that were actually in my new GTR, the 2.8 stroker that I got, the Tomei built one. I just think these seats look a lot better in here than they would in that car, so I put them in this car. So yeah, over and out. Go subscribe. Go subscribe.
And
Make
if
sure you
not,
subscribe.
wait, what does Ricky Bobby say?
What's the
If you don't chew Big Red, then fuck you. If you don't subscribe to RV Power, then fuck you. I'm kidding.
If you ain't first, you're last.
That's true also.
Ricky Bobby. Over and out. So as always, we want to close out the video at least with some fun anyway. So Andis volunteered to take his Beamer, which we all know these aren't Beamers. These ain't Beamers. That one. Some German. It's up to the man right there. You got the dog's attention.